Adesso di nuovo, su, apri la bocca, avanza con le zampe, così, stendi, apri la bocca, andiamo il collo.
Go, Coda. Let's go. There's a little puppy walker on the treadmill. Puppy's about 13 weeks old or a little older. Oh, come on, see? Of course, he's been worked with a little bit, but it's very easy to teach your dog to walk on the treadmill. If your dog has excessive energy as being crated or in the house all day, or if you're in a small apartment and don't have much time to walk your dog, walk your dog at least 20 minutes on the treadmill a day or more. As they get older, of course, they need, they like to walk more. I know, there's little Decon, say hi! And of course, he's walking with his little puppy. This is bonding time for both child and puppy. And the little puppy just walks you off.